Is your Vizio TV stuck on the logo screen and not going any further? Don't worry, you can fix this fast. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Vibes. Let's get your TV working again right now. This problem usually happens because of a software glitch, a failed update, power issues, or even a faulty internal board. The good news is, most of the time you can fix it yourself without replacing the TV. Step 1. Unplug your TV from the wall. Wait a full 60 seconds. This clears temporary bugs. Step 2. While it's unplugged, press and hold the TV's power button for 20 seconds. This drains leftover power and resets the system. Step 3. Plug the TV back in directly to the wall. Avoid power strips. Then turn it on and check if it boots. Step 4. Try a forced reboot. Press and hold the power button on the remote for about 10 seconds until the TV restarts. Step 5. Disconnect all external devices. That means HDMI cables, USB drives, gaming consoles. Sometimes a bad device blocks the startup. Step 6. Check for overheating. Make sure the TV vents are not blocked and the back isn't too hot. Let it cool for 10 minutes and try again. Step 7. Perform a factory reset using buttons. Turn off the TV. Then press and hold the volume down and input buttons on the TV itself. Keep holding and press the power button once. Wait for the reset screen. Step 8. If your model supports it, try a USB firmware update. Download the latest firmware from Vizio's official site onto a USB drive. Plug it into the TV and power it on. This can fix corrupted software. Step 9. Inspect the power cable and outlet. Try a different outlet or cable if possible. Unstable power can cause boot loops. Step 10. Now for the advanced hardware check. If none of these worked, the issue might be the main board or power board. Unplug the TV, remove the back panel carefully, and check for loose cables or burnt components. If you're not comfortable doing this, it's best to contact a technician. Here's a pro tip. If your TV briefly shows the logo and turns off, it's often a power board issue, not software. That can save you time troubleshooting. If you're still stuck, drop your TV model number and problem in the comments. I'll personally reply within 1 hour and help you fix it. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more quick fixes. You've got this. Your TV is not dead, it just needs the right fix.